Okay. At the end, yeah, I just want to we just started this initiative last year. I want to talk about Digital Pakistan Network, which is working for three things. Number one, connecting small businesses with technology, and we have done a lot of summits and activities under this umbrella. I am so privileged and honored that a girl must to lead. She must has a platform, and I am thankful to our founder Mia Atiq Saab that he created that platform where we are talking today, and we have come so far. So I am so honored, and as a project director of Digital Pakistan Network and other projects that I am looking to, I feel really honored that today we have such a from yesterday and today we have such great representation from all over the world, all the voices that are so charged up and that are shaping their realities in this world using digitalization. This is and after Corona, I think we realized that how much it is important. So I just want to tell, I just want to express, I just want, will take your 5 minutes, want to tell my vision through this platform. My vision is to become number one among the most influential women in the world by 2023. It's just like a dream, impossible, but I just made it for myself. And this dream brings me here in Islamabad, in Rawalpindi, working under this umbrella. I am so privileged. And I want to say that all the strength that a girl has, she has because of her parents, because of the environment they gave, and the self-esteem that she built in themselves, because she knows that she deserves much better that God provided them. So I think a girl must understand, has a vision for herself, and understand that she don't deserve the normal standards that are that are for her. She deserves something much better. Look at the universe, and you will see that everything is possible for God. So why not we ask something bigger? So I asked something bigger for myself. As a woman, if I define a woman, I want to say woman should have a vision, courage, and passion. Vision to see something bigger for herself, courage to take one step towards it, and a passion she will do that and achieve that one day. These three qualities, I think, enough. And being fair and truthful to herself. So about the Global Women Summit, I am so proud that women in this age, in the digitalization age, realizing that how she can grow, how she has equal opportunities, and not just complaining that we don't have this and don't have this. She should come up, share one word, share one sentence, and then see that how everybody can come and support us. And this is my journey about digitalization or the social activities that I have done the last 3 years. So I just come up doing live videos, talking to the people, and having doing the interviews, 1,000 plus interviews all around the world, and knowing that all the people out there are so simple, so unique, so beautiful. They give you so much respect. There are lot to say, lot to share on this platform, that about this harassment, everything. I want to share my journey. I never feel, and I didn't receive any messages, although I am so active, so vocal, and coming up. And in my 3-year journey, I didn't face that. It's blessing of
Because
God
you are
as
in
well.
safe hands.
And yes, what?
You are in safe hands.
Yes, now, yes, not
Always,
only in the,
always.
yes, always, yes, by the blessing of God, one thing. Secondly, because of my parents and all the grooming and all the environment, and now where I am, all the protective environment, and I'm so happy that leading in that way. And this is our third summit, and I feel the changes in me as well. Not taking much of your time, just sharing what is in my heart. So so about this global summit, I think every woman should realize that she deserves much better that she has. Then she, I think, make some bigger dreams and go for that. So I'm so privileged that I have a chance to learn from everybody, from UK, from Europe. We have representation from Europe, Asia, and South Africa and Africa today. And we will, inshallah, when go further, we'll have more much representation of youth and women as well. So about the
Great.
digital Pakistan, Baba, there's one thing about the digital Pakistan. I want to say something.
Please,
So
please.
about the digital Pakistan, when he is my coach, he is my spiritual teacher, and I am just looking after coming from my home. I am just looking him as a father, and I'm so happy that he gave me that protection and nurturing that she. I think he is giving to her kids as well. So when I am growing up little bit under his supervision and guidance, the thing that it came in my mind about digital Pakistan, I am not taking it because I want to reach somewhere and achieve some dream. I want to take and own this project, Digital Pakistan Network, that I have the responsibility of 60% youth of Pakistan on my shoulders. I take it by myself. I am so happy if I could do something about it. So this is the and all the activities that we have done today. I am so proud of my team, all the team, and all the support that I have given. Because of that, I can make it possible. For further, I just want to say that I am looking forward for the collaborations for so we can join hands through Digital Pakistan Network. I just want to say every lady that come and support us, because we just took one initiative without we just take one initiative with the belief that we can do something like Jack Ma if done something with his friends and students, and he create a history for his country. So why not we people? It's just like a matter of understanding, and and the voice that say to you that yes, you will also do that. So my
Great.
vision is that come and collaborate with us and join hands together. So this is
Inshallah.
from my end.
Inshallah.
Thank you, Baba.
Thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Rabia. Thank you very much, MNA Saiba. Thank you very much from our sister from Bangladesh, and all who were here. At the end, with these comments, I'll say that one thing which was discussed here, that those who want to make themselves happy, those who want to make themselves satisfied, what is the shortest possible way to is just to make others happy. So God has given us a lot. Why not we are going to share something which doesn't cost us? Yes, I do believe when anything costs you, materialistic word is there, materialism is there, but there are few things. Why can't we share the happiness to everybody? Why can't we share our good time, the quality time with all of those who really want to? That should be the motive of all of us, and inshallah, Allah Kareem, in regard to that, Allah will make me happy, our team happy, all those who are going to join hand with us, and inshallah, with the passage of time, we are growing, we will grow more. And I must say that at the end of this event, we have proven that if we really want to do something, yes, we can. And as just a matter of fact, Ma'am MNA, I'm going to share with you and also the others, and I'll request my sister from Bangladesh and all others here, that we are going to have another big summit for our diplomats. That is going to be the first diplomat summit who are here in Islamabad. And the motive is again the same: how we are going to make Pakistan, digital Pakistan, and embrace our all nation through technology. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. With this, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
Wonderful. Paindabad. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.